Welcome to this Learning ZBrush course. Now during this course we're going to cover all of the essential things you need to know to be able to take further courses, more intermediate and advanced courses. So the purpose of this course is to train you so that you can quickly and easily pick up more advanced courses. So during this course we're going to be creating a character from scratch, and we're going to use different processes showing you the tools as we walk through them. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the intro to the course and what we'll be covering during it. Then we'll be looking at the interface, opening and loading basic shapes. Then we will move on to navigating within ZBrush. Then how to subdivide tools or subtools inside of ZBrush. We'll be learning about brushes and the lazy mouse. We will then be learning about Dynamesh and how it can help you with your workflow. Be looking at masking and smoothing. Be looking how to invert actions from a brush. Be looking at saving and exporting objects from and to ZBrush. Then we'll be creating a basic model, learning those techniques or reinforcing those techniques as we go along. We'll be doing basic detailing of the model. We'll be showing you how to append subtools, custom configure ZBrush's interface, adding further detail to our model, redynameshing and creating new subtools. We'll be looking at moving, rotating and scaling, as well as creating a low-res version of the model and then projecting the high-res detail onto that model. Be doing mesh extractions to create the pants and the shirt. We'll be adding a detail for the eyebrow, so we'll be hard sculpting an eyebrow in. We'll be using blend layers to be able to control our detail. We'll also use blend layers for controlling our poly painting later on in the course as well. We'll be showing you how to bake those layers down. I will also be explaining the importance of not everything being symmetrical. We will then move on to poly painting techniques, where we apply a poly painting technique to the skin. We'll finish poly painting all the rest of the subtools. We'll also use spotlight to actually project an eye detail into the eyes. I will show you how to UV unwrap, how to optimize your mesh inside of ZBrush, showing you how to set up lighting and produce a final render that we will composite together inside of Photoshop. As a bonus lesson, I will show you how to create hair using fiber mesh, and also how to use the T-pose tool to be able to pose your character. So I hope you enjoy this course. We're going to cover a hell of a lot for this beginner's course on ZBrush.